Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nisrina Marsana Bida. You can call me Ocha. I am 16 years old. I am a student of Senior High School to Cirebon. I live in Cirebon, West Java. My hobby is dancing. I will dance the Max Jaipong Dance Jaya Perbangsa. Jaipong Max Jaya Perbangsa is a new creative dance product by Sanggar Mismala Dance Crew Cirebon, which unite to culture element namely Sundanese and Cirebon. Tell about the death of Gatot Kaca in the Bharatayuddha war. This dance has a dashing and majestic character. Jaipong Max Jaya Perbangsa Konta Basma Spear is a powerful weapon belonging to Adipati Karna that will be able to kill Arjuna. But Gatot Kaca, who know about the threat, carries out his duty to defend the Pandavas. Even though Gatot Kaca himself know that Konta Basma Spear will kill him. Pancen Perlaya is the sacrifice of himself as a knight to defend the honor of the Pandava and their people. The attack was carried out indiscriminately with a sad heart because he won't be separated from his beloved mother. For the sake of justice for his country. Dance step, Ketuk Tilu dance, Cirebon Max dance, and Wayang dance. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kayon katiup angin, gegelar carita di pedang, Mahabharata di Kurukshetra. Bugang mupatulayah miuni runtah, hamruh hanyir, getih para mayit payuri. Lengkahna para badega tentara, berat rek ngecat. Sumpah mengket dina dirina sarajan kudus separana jeung nyawa. Sang yang merapi ademing siang anget kalami